Thank you so much, JJ Pai Sokpane, media friends, Hadok TV, Rising Tripura, Chumoy TV, and Dongo TV, and Tel Kab Asaka, Jotana Paibeka, and Confusion Hajio, Samatama, and Jotana, thank you so much, JJ Tini Pai Manja Pane, media friends, Tini specially Chung. Press meet khaimani main je topic ba main je reason unka abong ka chini je brand new app launch unka dini no app ni mung unka entertain or app unka short video sharing app open notice ni first short video sharing app je jara cheng jotono videos upload khaiman nai and oboni bagai I'm very thankful to Borok TV IT team and Damonojit for supporting me being support by now je technical things abo jotono possible unka and thanks to da pohor je official samung dara bibage no possible unka jotono unkai dara kuno hoje thali ko
abon no team no best wishes or borong co-founders unkai Subrojit te borong beauty sa members botongo te Supriya kai to bisam gon chani bagai tini sari ungai sang bono rihine ingoi malia they बहुत specially पर उन्हें जो तो documentation they तम नंग यहाँ पर जो तो handle खाई तमो they ताबुक संग बरों ना ऐसे बरों young startup जो कौन खाई तमो संग बरों नो marketing रहो बस संग help खाना नहीं वहाँ चलाई तमो जो but payment रहो ठीक है देता joke से बात okay आप नो best wishes नरम नो hope खायो नरम को ताकि किते बो जो तो ये नो जे media फाइनल रहो support खाई कंगे at least किसा ले ते video share खाने उनसे कंग तो लावो link रे दिखता play store link है देवा क्या बो hope खायो संग एमने target नाज़ाक by end of January at least 30,000 subscriber तो इमानो है नहीं और जे बरों ने कताल app को okay असल में best wishes
dara sagari kono
entertain with N though not E
not E confusion mano
it's entertain with N notice needs first time
short video
my startup India by back as a startup so it's hoops and Hatung has a kind of no like that so I hope everyone knows the like download app no enjoy and plus not just short video sharing but plus no also game not just game but game and again the same time game only news but then again news any option so only this is the first time app ever I give the short video sharing the app to market but in Juda points like so I hope can no jalan mengenai sampai
dara ni ko add khane gizja juda tai special and sauna because machine northeastern region is je main je cultural je languages chini je music language te culture obno chung promote khai tongo because ojago kok borok tai je local language ni options tongnai kai norok chini exclusively norok chini je kok borok song song or man thoknai je by norok videos rok snam mannai and because kisa sekang je Chinese app ban nunga sekang ko ekta app popular tongmani apuro jotono use khaleo especially chini tiprasa dofa ba tiprasa belai kabang ekdom
baksa more than 1 lakh 2 lakh subscriber
ambo channel sumal ko abono ogara romte channel chigon jon class 5 6 porner ekdom joto students rok youth rok especially buskang tongo and tabu hope khay chino app no omdikhan no ni support tenor ne hamjagma by jeng successful khaimana nahani ne
on top of that is free
complete amo kuno rang bonang ya jesmon upload khai dong no 20 30 tapon video upload khai dong de
and takisan app kon khaine thajemo saman je por samani game zo kunkai kaisa boro already kaisa quarter company za kunkai boro tabu entertain boro bai semoi tie ups khaika so borong ni joto cikon game saro tongo ni ludo tongo te cikon action game ro tongo ni thapar reason ro tongo tongo game an chekene ga
play and earn
aro norok games thing manu kawma option tongo hop khayo series media partner ro screen record khai side of gizari ritom option ro kri kono
here or there maybe here
kai kem dukun question to kai question na laine
last but not the least goodbye to Chinese app. It's time to be
not only made in India, made in Northeast.
Made in Northeast.
It's time to be Atmanirbhar. open to questions.
ও অ্যাপস যে টিকটক বা লাইকি যে কাইসা পপুলার তো মানে চিনি ত্রিপুরাগো সো ও টিকটক এন্ড লাইকি নি হাই কিছু মানে ফিচার্স রক ও অ্যাপস তংনাই নাকি নরক যেহেতু থাকা গেমস রক তং আবহাই তংনা আবনি সেফেনো কিছু ডিফারেন্স অংনাই যেহেতু চিনি ককবরক সংরকব ও জায়গা মান থংনাই হিনি সামনে তামো ডিফারেন্স তংনাই
TikTok is like to kawan kita deep keriman so because jengkau sangat tinggi company ni promotion bay paya. Number 2 is abo already it's a band app though. Chinese is abo hambo hamye bo jengkau te use kaimalia kaibo in case kaiman kono it's better jengkau use kaya to agai because abo it's a Chinese app to be honest and Chinese by Indian is right now diplomatic relationship. This is what everyone knows it. So as I go okay just I guess as okay nang just short video sharing and viewing answer no that. Jino okay game plus news bottom line. And after hai to bane short video sharing ni puno app ko after hai features click group tapos zora.
And je screen sung je common je tamne bono visual je sung common je screen sung mane abong ke almost same ngi phamano because
actually joto video sharing
joto video sharing app no or design like
Do
design
extent to kita same nai no.
abong kisa to same nai but features to ekdom chini no sung chini company bagi no tini press conference chin no sung khama sane je sai koi chini no tik cha kaham ne ang one sugo so let's see abo no use khai nai ma pore norok ni review sung man nai
review sung nai tamo update chirina mo sung tamo mane tamo bo hai user sung nang definitely tabu start initial stage to asal je expectation do sung khangi mai apano mano but sung je basic nang mani sung features already reserve te sung tabu kan bablu khaya ko karon ke boron ni tam chol sung na sing to so boron jam jane gallery ni simeno gan abul khai lagera to
বো জরা নি সিমি তাই বো জাগাও ও অ্যাপস মানে মান নাই
tabu ni simeno ko video it's launched already actually tabu google just start getting entertain hinai ingano man thanai
and spelling mistake line do and by start
and simisi entertain ino ki remove kare kata
I kare kisa sang sini mung no unit khana bagai ino nori da kai play store thangai entertain বিশ্বাস kai kan mani thanai kan kai install with and kai install khale ne video upload thana start khale maka
in fact launching as Hanisa Mia so Mia already publishing that Mia ni simisi sini more than 200 users kai bega promotion je kaya ko
promotion khai sini simino ito norok ban start khale kya
For the iOS users tikit cha na singra di hai dong no
iOS
iOS on the way almost
Mia ni khorsa friend Delhi ni boana sung like I bini phone ka iPhone ngai bo iOS device sung tong kan tik cha na sing ni saka Android o simino tabu launch ngra ko iOS to tai ko din bisingo ang thanai so hopefully kaham no thanga ne wan so go tai kun question to hai everything is clear je sa to mon joto clear tha question no na bai tha kai obono joto nin support nango especially because chino obo Tripura ni Tripura based tai notice based and chung proud feel khana nango because chin notice ni bisingo Tripura ni no
first time
om hai app nam takha notice tai kuno mai app kri kho and subs nam jai kho
and belai no tai kesa kita mungkai singa ge wasa already launch ke paisa but aba se UI hanya ni singa remove kari ka so tabo abo complete jo tested more than 90 days nang thaka
fresh and better
so
abo no nai dekhan chema nai khali am sun just ek bar try khane di abon pore jori no feature hamjai ka to it's up to you so abo washa try khane di entertain app and free কোনো রান নাই या ओ ऐप नि बागै नरो डायरेक्टली प्ले स्टोर थांगै इंस्टॉल खाइने भिडियो से अपलोड खाले शेयर से खाले मानखा सो जतना हामबाय जे मीडिया फाइमान जने रमनो ताई नरो नि सपोर्ट नागो चिनो ऐप नो सक्सेसफुल खाना थांतानी सो थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन एंड गुड नाइट